Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to reduce a double chin. We'll explore effective strategies, from simple exercises you can do daily to important lifestyle adjustments. Understanding the causes and implementing these practical tips can help you achieve a more defined jawline. Get ready to learn actionable steps to feel more confident about your profile and improve your overall appearance with consistent effort. Targeted facial exercises can significantly strengthen the muscles in your neck and jaw area. Try the pucker-up exercise by tilting your head back, looking at the ceiling, and puckering your lips as if to kiss for 10 seconds. Repeat this 10 to 15 times daily. Another effective one is the chewing gum exercise, which involves simply chewing gum for 20 to 30 minutes a day to engage those muscles and tone the area. Beyond exercises, your diet and lifestyle play a crucial role. Reducing your overall body fat percentage through a balanced diet, rich in whole foods and low in processed sugars, can make a big difference. Staying well hydrated by drinking 8 glasses of water daily also helps with skin elasticity. Additionally, maintaining good posture, keeping your head up and shoulders back, can visually minimize the appearance of a double chin, making your profile look more defined. While these methods are highly effective, for some, advanced options like professional treatments might be considered after consulting a specialist. However, consistency with the exercises and lifestyle changes we've discussed is key to seeing lasting results. Remember, patience and dedication are your best allies in achieving a more sculpted jawline. Start today and take control of your profile with these simple yet powerful strategies, aiming for at least 3 to 4 weeks of consistent effort to notice changes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.